Imagine a world where you can earn $800 per day online without breaking a sweat. Well, stop imagining because it's real and happening right now. It's a goldmine for beginners eager to make money online. Stay tuned as we unravel the 6 laziest ways to make this dream a reality. So you're ready to learn the secrets? Buckle up, because we're diving right in. First up, we have affiliate marketing. This is as easy as partnering with brands and promoting their products. Every time a sale is made through your unique link, you earn a commission. Simple, right? Next, consider online surveys and market research. Companies are always looking for consumer insight and they're willing to pay for it. Sign up, take a few surveys, and watch the cash roll in. Third on our list is content creation. Whether you love writing, designing, or making videos, there's a market for your skills. Sell your services on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, or create and sell your own digital products. Fourth, try your hand at dropshipping. This involves selling products directly to the consumer without holding any inventory. You make money by marking up the retail price. Coming in at number 5, we have print on demand. Design your own graphics, slap them on a product, and sell them online. When an order comes in, your supplier prints the product and ships it directly to the customer. Finally, don't forget about investing in the stock market. With platforms like Robinhood and Webull, you can start with small amounts and grow your portfolio over time. And there you have it. 6 simple and lazy ways to earn $800 per day online. Now that you're armed with these secrets, it's time to put them into action. Sharing this video could lead us to our goal of 10,000 subscribers, unlocking a chance for you to win free money. Share this video, hit the subscribe button, and you could be our lucky winner. Don't forget to click on the screen to watch another video that will help you make money in 2024. Until next time, keep earning.